Viva Pitseñor!
Maayong adlaw mga ka-wonder, hope you all have a beautiful day. And today we are here in the southern part of the province of Negros Occidental to experience the enchanting and one of the most vibrant and culturally rich festivals in the Philippines, the Sinulog di Kabangkalan Festival. Ining inyong alagad si Radyoman Patrick Bucabal, your
Wandering Negrense!
Your passport to the world's most enchanting festival destination. Join me in this episode as we explore the streets filled with energy, colors, and the rhythmic beats of the drums.
Happy Sinulog Festival! Happy Sinulog Festival! Woo! Happy Sinulog Festival! Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva! Viva! Viva!
Alright, so mga ka-wonder, maaga pa tayo dito sa Kabangkalan, like around 4 a.m. to experience their fluvial parade, which is actually the real essence of why Kabangkalanon celebrate the Sinulog Festival. Tradition have it that the forefathers of this community who are residing along the coastal areas always ginaatake sa mga Moro pirates. In their collective consciousness, it became a deeply ingrained belief that the Santo Niño save them from those difficult times.
Ang fluvial parade nila driga sugod sa may Barangay Talubangi, Tulugway, cruising Ilog Hilabangan River, kag diri ginatabok ang Santo Niño.
Then madritso kita sa Burgos, dito sila madritso, katuwa natin.
Sinulog di Kabangkalan isn't just about festivities. It also has a strong religious significance. The solemn religious fluvial parade is a beautiful sight, with devotees carrying images of the Santo Niño, offering prayers, and expressing their faith. This festivity, beyond its cultural significance, serves as a unifying force for the community, fostering a sense of togetherness as they join in a communal prayer for blessings and protection during the festivities.
Be the safest person that we can be to everyone. Kabay pa magmalipayon kita subong nga adlaw. Magmalipayon in a safety environment.
Alright, so mga ka-wonder, nagsugod ng ilang street dancing competition kag napulo katribo ang mag-compete sa Sininga Sinulog Festival 2024. So,
Okay, medyo naglayo,
mga
no? Ang
ka-wonder,
aton na
behind
last
is the last entry the competing tribe sa Sinulog Festival diri sa Kabangkalan.
Paikat lang
mga
palihog,
around 2
no?
PM,
Kaya nga ito, may
ma-start
ara
naman
pakita
sa
entry
arena
number 10.
competition. Ang winning
The
tribe
space.
sa arena competition will receive 120,000 pesos.
Okay,
and
gadi,
2 million
please.
of project sa ila nga barangay sa winning tribe.
Mayong aga, no? Mayong udto na sa tanan. Salamat sa inyo pagkanto, pagbisita diri sa syudad sa Kabangkalan, no? Ini si Mayor Benji Miranda ka nagapangagda pagit sa mga aton mga kauturan daw sa mga nearby cities, municipalities nga kung pwede maglagaw kamo, magbisita, magsinadya kita diri sa aton sa amon nga 48 Sinulog sa Kabangkalan nga may tima sa padayon nga mapinasalamaton. Senyor Santo Niño, kami imo hugpungon. No? Sa mga walang pa nakalagaw, try nyo man, visit Kabangkalan and experience Kabangkalan now. Salamat! Viva Senyor Santo Niño! Ipadayon ng pagbago para tanan may asensyo.
We are here at Kabangkalan Public Plaza at the arena competition. The energy here is electrifying and great din naman mga audience natin. And they're excited for the arena competition. Again, 10 ka-competing tribes ang mag-compete sa tubong Sinulog di Kabangkalan Festival. I'm sure nga excited na kamo. So mga ka-wonder, let's ready. Ang contest number 1, ready naman.
As the arena competition continues, I noticed that the dance narratives of each competing group revolved around the rivalry between two tribes, the attacks by Moro pirates, and the story of Chieftain Manyabog against the Spanish forces led by Governor Emilio Sarabia. Additionally, the dance narrative depicts the traditional way of life of the Aita or the indigenous people, highlighting hunting practices, the conversion of Christianity, and in honor of Senyor Santo Niño, and the revolution in the sugar industry in the province of Negros Occidental. The incorporation of various historical and cultural elements into the dance narratives of the arena competition of Sinulog di Kabangkalan reflects a rich tapestry of the region's heritage and struggles. It serves as a powerful reminder of the resilience and diversity of the people, showcasing their experiences ranging from tribal conflicts and external threats to societal transformations and economic shifts. Though these performers, audiences are not only entertained but also enlightened about the intricate layers of history and tradition that have shaped the identity of the Kabangkalanon. Overall, the competition stands as a celebration of heritage, unity, and enduring spirit of the community. Throughout this enchanting spectacle, we were not just spectators, but participants in a tapestry of smiles and hospitality woven together by the warmth of the community. The Sinulog di Kabangkalan has been more than just a festival. It has been a testament to the resilience and spirit of the people, a testament to their unwavering devotion to their heritage and traditions. Thank you, Kabangkalan, for welcoming us, for sharing your traditions, and for reminding us that in the dance of life, every step is a celebration. Mabuhay ang Sinulog di Kabangkalan, mabuhay ang Kabangkalan. Viva Senyor Santo Niño!
Alright, so and there you have it mga ka-wonder. Sinulog di Kabangkalan Festival is an incredible celebration of culture, faith, and community spirit. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me. If you ever get the chance to visit Kabangkalan City during this festival this January, don't ever miss it. This is Radyoman Patrick Bucabal, your wandering Negrense, signing off from the vibrant Sinulog Kabangkalan Festival. Viva Senyor Santo Niño! Viva, viva, viva!